how to create consistent characters with Leonardo AI. If you want more consistent characters in the images that you generate, try our character reference tool. Here's how it works. First, go into the image generator and click on the image icon in the prompt bar. This will bring up the image guidance dropdown. From there, go to character reference and select it. You can either choose an existing image from your uploads or previous generations, or upload a new one. I'll upload a character image. Once selected, you'll see the character appear in the prompt bar. Next, click the small arrow next to the character to adjust the strength from low, mid, or high. I'll choose high for this example, but you can adjust it as needed to get the result that you're after. Now, I'll add a more detailed prompt. The more detailed the prompt, the more consistent the image will be. For example, my prompt describes the character, a male with short black hair, expressive eyes, large spectacles, wearing a baseball cap, standing in a city street. This includes the character and their actions. Next, I'll select a preset. I'll choose Cinematic Kino, which is photographic, but you can also choose presets like Portrait Perfect. I'll stick with Cinematic Kino for now and close the window. Optionally, you can further style your image by adding elements from the image icon, but I'll skip that for now. I hit the Generate button to create my image, and now we have a consistent image of our character based on the uploaded reference. You may need to make some refinements to your prompt as you go. For example, I can change his shirt color to white or adjust the lighting to golden hour. After adjusting, I hit Generate again, and you can see the changes reflected in the image. You may need to try a few times to get the exact results that you want. A few tips for best results. To improve body proportions and costuming, you can train an element on your character's dataset. There's more info on that coming soon. The character reference tool works best with photorealistic faces or characters generated from the same model, but you can also upload AI-generated characters or photos of characters. Now that you know how to use the character consistency tool in Leonardo AI, I recommend experimenting to see what kind of images you can create.